Ready to turn your ideas into a stunning website without any coding? Discover how Canva's intuitive design tools can help you create a professional online presence in just a few clicks. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned creator, building a beautiful site has never been easier. Join us and unleash your creativity with Canva today. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to build a website on Canva. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So Canva is a user-friendly graphic design platform that allows individuals and businesses to create a visually appealing website with ease. With its drag and drop interface, a wide array of customizable templates and design elements, Canva enables users to build professional-looking web pages without any coding knowledge. It's perfect for anyone looking to establish an online presence quickly and creatively, whether for personal, project portfolios, or business needs. Alright? So let's come back to the top, and you have just click over sign up in the top right, and then you'll find other account after writing your email address and your password. Alright, then also we have the option of log in your phone and find your account, and you get started. Then you will find this page. You can see here we have, I already have an account, that's why we have here, we don't have a sign up here and log in, and we have here my profile, and you have just to click over home and you'll find other page, which is this one as you can see. So right now all I have to do is just search for websites. It's just searching for websites as you can see, and then we'll find these templates. As you can see, we have various templates. So we'll click over seal here and we'll find a various template as you can see. All right, so we have here such as here with this one, and we have various examples. You can just select the one you think is better for you. Right now I will just come back to the top and I will click over all filters and I will select the category that I think is better for me. For example, if it's related to the business, social media, education, video, marketing, print products, card invitation. Then we have the style here, if it's modern, minimalist, simple, professional, colorful, animated as well. Then we have about the theme, if you want the black one, the business, corporate, pink, photo, website. Then we have also here the language, feature. Then we have the grade as you can see, and also we have here the subject, the topic, and also the pricing. I will select here the free one. About the color, I will select the white one and I will click over apply, and you will find the template that you want. All right, so for example I will select this template, I think it's better, and right now I'll just click over customize this template and we'll find other page, which is this one. So let's wait for it. All right, so here we have how it looks. As you can see, you can just modify all these things and start your design website as you want. For example, if you don't like this one, you have just to delete it. If you don't like also this one, you have just to delete it. Then you come back to the elements and just select the thing that you want. For example, I want, for example, in my websites selling a computer. For example, I will just select here computer, as you can see. Then you will find here the photos or the graphics that you want. For example, if you want photos, I will just click over here and they will search for the photos. So let's just searching for it. I will select, for example, this one. I will delete this one. Then I will just click over this one. All right, about this one I will delete it. All right, and here we have it. As you can see, I'll modify it also here the size, and I'll put it here. All right, then I will add, for example, here select. I will just go and I will delete all these things, and I will just go to the text and I will add a hidden here. I will put it in the normal size, which is 36, for example. I will just click over here and I will write, for example, our, or I will just write personal computer. As you can see, I will just write personal computer like that, and here we have it. As you can see, you can just modify it also here. The color, I will select, for example, all this one. I don't like the color. I will just modify the color. If you want, I will just put it, for example, here with black one, or you can choose here this one, or you can choose here this one, and also here you can modify the size. As you can see, And also you can just add something on your computer. You have just to click over upload and you upload whatever you want. And also you can record yourself if you want by clicking over allow, and you click over allow again and you start recording, as you can see. So you have just to click over record and you record whatever you want here, right? Also you can just click over here, as you can see, and then I will click over done. If I want to save and exit, or if I want to just exit schedule right now, I will just click over exit without saving, right? Also we have the option of draw. If you just like just selecting a color that you want, and then I will just, for example, do something like that. I will just draw it. If I did a mistake, it will just come back like that. As you can see, we have personal computer, and right now if I did again a mistake, I will just click over eraser and I will just delete it, as you can see. All right, then we have here the option of project, application, QR code as well, as you can see. So you can just right now modify all these things by adding definition or the characteristics of our personal computer, which is it, his data and his processor, also here the RAM and other things. Then also we have here speed as well. Also we have other things that you have to add here, for example, and then you have just to write the colors that we have and how much computer that we have. Then I will write also the price, and for example here I will write the localization. You can also add HTML. So about the localization and HTML, you can just go to the elements and you just search for localization like that, and then you click over the localization and you click over graphics and you select, for example, this one, and you put it here in the size, and then I will write email again, Shimo. Then I will just select Shimo of everyone, it's better. So for example, we'll select this one, put it here. Then I will just add, for example, Instagram stories or Instagram posts, Instagram, as you can see. Then I will just add one Instagram. For example, we'll add this one, it's better. All right, here we have it. Then you add here your email and the localization to just start talking with you and asking whatever they want. Also we can add no phone number, and you have just to search for their phone number. For example, here we have, I will just write call, as you can see, and we have it. You can just select it and you have just to add it right now. Then also if you want other pictures or other graphics of personal computer, you have just to write personal computer and you search for whatever you want. For example, we have here the graphics. You have just to search for it and you select the one you want and you put it here about the graphics of personal computer. Also we have here this one. You can also add whatever you want, for example this one, as you can see. Then once you just modify all these things, you have just to click over share in the top right, and you have just to add, for example, I will just click over share here, and I will just select the option for anyone with the link can access or can join this template. Also I will just click over seal to see all the thing of sharings. Then we have here public view link, website, present template link, present and record, copy to clipboard, save to folder, send to phone, and embed as well. All right, so this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.